Hi everyone, welcome back to Freshroll Kitchen. Today's video, we're going to make smoothie with durian fruit, and Chai-san's favorite ingredient is the soy sauce. Just kidding, we're not going that far yet. It's going to be about zucchini stir fries two-way. The first one is scrambled egg zucchini. We are going to need some zucchini, and I have also put in some summer squash for this video as well, some chopped garlic, and our favorite ingredient is the silken tofu. Now heat your pan to high heat and put in your favorite oil. This is my new favorite cooking oil. It's the sunflower oil. It's really healthy and it can sustain high heat pretty well. Go ahead and put in your garlic. Wait until they turn golden brown, and we can throw in the zucchini and summer squash. With this recipe, what I love about it is the whole family can enjoy, including my son. So I'm adding the brown sugar as well. This will help make the stir-fried zucchini and summer squash a little more golden brown, more appealing to eat. What I love about working with zucchini is that it doesn't need a lot of oil, so just a little bit. And the soy sauce I'm putting on here is just about 1 tablespoon. And just toss that all together. You don't have to cover it, but if you like your stir-fried vegetables a little softer to chew, you should definitely cover it. And adding the silken tofu in, mixing that all in with the vegetables to give that scrambled egg texture. And I'm adding a little bit more of the brown sugar, because with my son, he loves the food to look more appealing as well. It's not looking as flavorful as it tastes, he won't eat it. So I always find different tricks and different ways to make the food more appealing, especially when you're cooking with vegetables. And now it's done. You can see how lovely the color looks. And moving on to number 2, it's the zucchini sesame garlic. I'm starting the zucchini on the high heat pan. You don't have to use oil in this recipe, and this is one of my favorite go-to recipe. And here I'm adding a little bit of the brown sugar along with sweet soy sauce. I call it the vegan oyster sauce. And what I love about this one is that while the zucchini is being cooked, you can add the onions in as your second ingredient. Just break them apart here. They will settle pretty well, and this will give that extra sweetness to the zucchini stir fried. And make sure that you have some toasted sesame seeds in hand. If you don't, you can toast that manually with some raw sesame seeds, lightly toasted on the separate pan. There you have it. Simple zucchini stir fries for you and your family to enjoy. I will see you guys all next time with more delicious, healthy vegan cooking. And who knows, maybe durian smoothie with soy sauce will be in the next video.